Welcome back to DBR, and things already probably look different as you're looking at the screen right now watching this video. I know I said in the last video we're going to record putting the bed on, but the day we put the bed on things were a little bit hectic here. So right now the bed's on, it's bolted on with our new bolts and clips because the other ones were all rusted out. We've got the new bed liner in, and the bolts are fully tightened down. I'll just show you guys the bolts that I use with the company. They are, it's just Dorman clips off Amazon. I got 8 instead of 6 because they don't really sell packs of 6 because it's a short bed. But here's what the bolt looks like. Just the regular bolt, except it's brand new. Gives you the washers too and the clips. So you really need those new ones if you're like anywhere near the north, because you're most likely the rest of that. We had to cut our bolts off. But right now we have our DBR body man here. Oh, dude, get off the camera. He's a criminal, you know, he can't have his face on the camera. He's bondoing up the truck. So he has his welds done. Now he's putting in some body filler. Here's the cab quarter and I want his face in it. See, he's doing those bedsides right now. The wheel arches, as some like to call them. We've got our new, these are little pin things. They're not from Ford, we got them from a hardware store, but they work perfect. They pop these in. As you can see, they work perfect on this side too. Our frame is looking better than ever here. Here's that ground. I'm having some real trouble with the ground on the other side. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's this right here. That's a little bit of an understatement. These are extremely annoying. And just there's like no videos online or anything about anybody even interfering with these grounds. If you watch videos of taking the beds off, some people don't even have them on their truck. So I don't understand that. Another thing I'd like to show you guys, here's a little sample. If I put my hand or my finger here, you can see that this is a sample of what the whole bottom is going to look like. It's going to be that gloss black. Not a perfect match, but that's kind of on purpose. I mean, it would be really stupid looking if, like, say we did that whole door that color. But if you just do one strip on the bottom that color, it kind of looks like you did it for a reason. Which is good. Some people do that with rhino liner and stuff, but we're going to keep it nice and simple. That does look really good. If you step back a little bit, you can see the truck's definitely going to look really good with it like that. Just an update. If you're wondering why we have bags, these are the new tow mirrors. We don't want them getting dusty or anything. So yeah, another thing I want to mention is for this fuel filler neck here, we're already having issues aligning the holes. So maybe a suggestion for you guys, if you're putting your bed back on, maybe before the bed's fully on or something, check up on these holes here. Or I'm not sure. We haven't really figured out ourselves why it's giving us such an issue. Because we have all the bed bolts mounted, lined up and everything. So that's definitely interesting. See this side, I'm having trouble getting this. You're supposed to, the correct way to do it is to run it through this bed rail here and somehow sneak it down to the other side of the frame and bolt it on the other side of this hole right here, but I tried yesterday and it's nearly impossible. So once I figure out how to get this out of where I put it, I'm just gonna wrap it around the frame and do it that way, and that's gonna be hard in itself because I still have to figure out how to get a wrench in between the fuel tank and the frame. So yeah, just a little update. See, this part's not sanded down yet, it's just kind of prepped. And actually, wait, I have one more thing to show you guys. If you're wondering, if you're doing your truck, just want to show you guys you can see just straight up here. Literally, you're looking at the inside of the door right now. And then you'll see, because this has no weather stripping here. And right here, we have our new weather stripping. You can see it's all blocked up. You cannot see the inside of this door. So these are, a necessity, or else, I mean, if you don't have these, it's really common for these to rust out here on the Fords. Your door's gonna rust out pretty much right away. So I highly suggest these. You really do need them. And yeah, I have this, the front door seal for this side. I have to get one for the other side. So yeah, I'll update you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapses that I showed you. So this is basically the finishing product for today. The body man, he sanded a lot, put a lot of body filler on, and it's definitely getting a lot better, the seams. This is just primer. I threw on just for today. It's gonna get all sanded off anyways, but I'll just give you an idea of how close on we are. But it's definitely coming along very well. The whole bottom here is prepped for paint, because I think I told you guys before that this whole bottom will not be gold anymore. It's going to be all black. This gold 4x4 is going to be taken off, either just completely taken off or replaced with just a, I don't know if they're red, white and red, but just the regular colored 4x4 ones that Ford put on their just regular work trucks. All this, let's get ready. I don't know if I showed you guys yet. Come on, cameraman, follow me. Here's our new tow mirrors. I'm not sure if I showed you guys them yet, but if not, or if you're a new viewer, here they are. Ready to go. We even tested them, they do work. So, I got them off eBay for a pretty good price. So we'll cover those back up for now. But yeah, the build's really coming along. You could give a quick flip to there and then back at me. Oh, no, come back. Yeah. You don't want to see what's under those. That'll be next video. So you can put your guesses in. But a lot of big things coming to the channel with this truck, which you'll see very soon. It's about to look a whole lot different. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you guys have been enjoying the rust repair stuff, because I know it's a big issue with these Fords and a lot of people like to see how to fix it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment them, because I will respond to you. So please like the video, it helps the rankings of the video, and subscribe if you're new. We also just passed over 300, so thanks for that. And we'll see you in the next video, which stay tuned for the next video. It'll be pretty big. See you then.